Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your bookmarks on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and then you go to the lower bar at the screen, click to the saved button next to the discover, and in the upper bar go to the notebook option, and here you can check your bookmark, highlights and notes. And if you have any bookmark, you can check you can want to check where is this, that's click that, and the application just move to your bookmark and you can check the page. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.